In this quick video, we're going to see how to update the table of contents in a Microsoft Word document running on iOS. It's not immediately obvious. I spent a bit of time looking this up here, which is why I figured I'd create a quick video. So if you have a table of contents in your Word document and you want to update it, there are two ways. First of all, you can actually just select an area on the table of contents itself. On this little pop-up that appears, click on Select. It selects part of the table of contents. Then the next thing that you do is simply select this update option here, update, and that will now update the table of contents. The other thing that you can do is very, very similar. If you're using a keyboard with a trackpad on your iPad, the other thing that you can do is hover over an area of your statement of work, use two fingers on your trackpad and click, which is kind of like doing a right click if you're using a mouse. And on this little menu that appears, you can also select update from the pop-up that appears. And if you click that, that will also update your table of contents. So not immediately obvious, but once you know how, pretty simple.